Love that get up, man. You look great. Celebrating the big number 5 in St. Paul.
And we've got Parker Lohman turning 7 strong this year. Birthday was actually on Sunday. He's in Girard.
Bladen Pickle, number 9. Nice patriotic photo right there. Bladen, a very happy birthday in Knoll, and I want you to know that this comes with love from Mom, Dad, and your sisters.
And Bella Burks celebrating birthday number 10 this year. Bella is in Girard.
In Jasper, Kiana Smith has a 12th birthday. Off to school she is. Everybody out in Jasper, a little Eagle Pride right there. Make sure you wish Kiana happy birthday.
The Elliott brothers are celebrating in Erie, Kansas this year. First, we've got Cody, who's 15 years old, and his older brother Craig turning 23.
In Sarcoxie, we got a 40th birthday party. Cool picture right there, Kristen. I don't know when you got a chance to go out to the West Coast, but I hope you had a marvelous time. As Kristen celebrates her 40th with happy birthday wishes from your friend Katie.
Belated birthday wishes going out to Deborah Clower, who's now 64 in Columbus. Happy birthday, Deborah.
Lakin Westall, a happy birthday to you. Miss Lakin, she celebrates in St. Paul.
And in La Harpe, Larry and Cindy Kress are celebrating their 30th anniversary this year.
We've got a 35th anniversary. Ron and Dora Ware. That's called getting around in style right there. Congratulations, Ron and Dora.
All right, and we've got Sam Thomas in Columbus. Happy birthday to you. Janet Porter turning 70 in Fredonia. And in Pittsburgh, Jim Carlinger celebrating birthday number 72.
In Frontenac, Natasha Galindo, a happy 37th birthday. Now we go to Columbus. That's where Justice Hanaway celebrating her birthday. Miss Mary Holt, she is celebrating her 102nd birthday in Columbus as well. Happy birthday, Mary.
And we've got Joe. Miss Josephine Davenport turning 90 years old down in Miami, Oklahoma, with great birthday wishes from all the residents at the Route 66 Laundry.
Madeline Coons, we're going to go back to Columbus and wrap it up with Madeline's birthday. Madeline, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous October 5th birthday for yourself as well. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com or go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Speaking of the website, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.